to 2022, 1,000 cases of brutality against the Christian community were registered in this country. All of it happened under the central government's watch. Sometimes incited by the fringe elements of their own party. Several churches have been vandalized. People preaching the faith have been tormented, and yet no action has been taken to stop this carnage. And Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka, which are again BJP ruled governments, are topping the charts when it comes to crime against Christians. I am putting the facts in public domain. If you think my data is wrong, you file a case against me. I'm challenging you. Let's talk about facts and figures. Several churches have been vandalized in the name of SC/ST upliftment. They're torturing the SC/ST community like anything. And BJP is known to spread venom and hatred wherever it goes. And currently it is also an active member, like I said, of the MDA government, which has eventually all the control behind the scenes. With 2 MLAs, literally, they are controlling the state and they are controlling the life of 35 lakh Meghalayans. 35 lakh Meghalayans has to control the BJP leaders in Delhi, not the other way around. The fight is not for 2023, the fight is also for 2024. You have to give them reply in the language they understand. How many times you saw the PM after election stepped into Meghalaya and stand by you? 0. How many times did the Home Minister come to Meghalaya after elections to stand by you? 0. Again during elections, you will see all the ringleaders together in one stage trying to misguide the people of Meghalaya. Don't get into their trap. If you have to, like in COVID times, when the vaccine was started, we all took Covishield vaccine, right? To make sure that Corona doesn't come and hit us. So if Corona is the virus, Covishield is the vaccine. So if NPP is the virus, Trinamool is the vaccine. Let them bring their entire might, put their entire weight behind the unit in Meghalaya and behind Conrad Sangma. I promise you, Trinamool will fight till the last drop of his blood, but will not surrender before the people in power in Delhi. We are ready to bow down before the power of the people, not before the people in the power. This is the difference.